Artificial intelligence is changing the world more than anything in the history of mankind. More than fire, electricity, computer, or even the internet. It is impacting the future of every industry and every human being, and has acted as the main driver of technologies like robotics, big data, and Internet of Things. However, building AI models is not easy. It requires a huge amount of annotated data for training that ultimately decides the fate of the AI projects. Poorly labeled training data affects overall performance of the AI model. Therefore, it is important that you choose a reliable data partner that guarantees high-quality training data. At Indika AI, we empower our clients to build state-of-the-art AI models with exceptional quality data services. We provide data annotation services for computer vision, natural language processing, and machine learning. Our team of domain experts, data scientists, solution architects, and trained annotators can help you annotate large datasets of images, texts, videos, or audios. We are sector agnostic and cater to clients across all industries, such as financial services, medical, agriculture, retail tech, geospatial technology, automotive, robotics, as well as government and military. What makes us special? We are profoundly serious about accuracy and data security. Dedicated project teams with streamlined SOPs, review processes, as well as independent audits help us to ensure high quality of training data, whereas ISO-certified security practices enable us to keep your data secure and confidential. We are flexible to work with your customized data annotation platform or use any third-party data annotation tool that suits your requirements, and committed to deliver the exceptional quality training datasets on time and in budget. Contact us today to learn more about how Indika AI can help you in your mission to humanize the machines using AI.